Okay, today we're going to talk about something that's very, not too much paid attention of, but kind of serious in another series of my silly videos. And by the way, never do it while mixing alcohol. We're going to talk about cutting the yard and lawnmower safety. First, you must have a lawnmower. Very good. Okay, prior to starting any engine, make sure it has proper lubrication, as we know how important that is. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Secondly, just look it over for general condition. And then what we're going to do, of course without alcohol, we're going to go for a little spin around the yard, cutting some grass, and you know how that is, and we'll try not to hit anything. In case no one's noticed, this is my feeble attempt to retract a negative statement about Cleveland. See? I believe Cleveland Browns are tied at the moment. And that was just a statement of everybody else's feelings about Cleveland, Ohio, the other places I've been. I am an avid Cleveland Browns fan. Okay, thank you. We'll see you on the tractor in a moment. Well, here we go. I believe we're going to start the engine now. Isn't that lovely? Now that wasn't so dangerous, was it? Don't try this at home. Sorry that I didn't burn anything or blow anything up. Just concerned about your safety. Go Browns.